Irfan Khan's Badla is another quirky song that is said to be not just an entertaining track but also a visual treat for the audience. The third song from Abhinay Duos and Bhushan Kumar's Blackmail, titled Badla, showcases the calm and composed Dev played by Irfan Khan, unveiling his furious side. The quirky song features Irfan along with music composer Amit Trivedi and rapper Divine, penned by Amitabh Bhattacharya and crooned by Amit Trivedi. The song showcases Irfan letting out his anger by breaking glasses amongst other acts of fury. Pradyuman Singh, Bhushan Kumar, Abhinay Dio, Divya Datta, Kirti Kulhari, Anuja Sathe and Arunoday Singh were at the launch of Badla song from Blackmail. Well, with Irfan Khan away from the scene at the moment due to a rare disease, neuroendocrine tumor, which he tweeted about, it was painful not to have the actor on stage at the song launch Badla along with Bhushan Kumar and the others. So, will the film be postponed? Well, let's hear Abhinav Dio out on this and other issues that were discussed at the Badla song launch of the film Blackmail with the star cast present.
मुझे लगता है कि जब कोई समय लेके अच्छे से प्यार से जब फिल्म बनाता है तब मेरे ख्याल से ऐसी फिल्म बनती है तो मेरे ख्याल से टाइम इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि कितना समय लिया है क्या बनाया है आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट शुड बी एंड आई लव टू टेक माई टाइम टू मेक माई फिल्म्स बट फिर भी दिल्ली बैली से लेके अब तक काफ़ी कुछ 24 फोर्स टू बहुत सारी बड़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स हुई हैं लेकिन आई कैन ओपनली से दैट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट वर्क.
ब्लैकमेल तो हर वक्त चलता है ना, तो वो तो होना भी चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट्स लाइफ. यहाँ पर खैर इस फिल्म में वो नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स टोटली ऑपोजिट एंड आई थिंक द रीज़न आई टोटली एन्जॉयड डूइंग दिस फिल्म इज़ बिकॉज बहुत कम होता है कि एक्टर्स को आप उन रोल्स के लिए जिन्हें आप पसंद किए जाते हैं उससे बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ कुछ दिया जाए. सो आई थिंक आई रियली थैंकफुल टू अभिनय फॉर सीइंग मी वेरी डिफरेंटली and giving me a crazy mad role. And so I'm going to emotionally blackmail him again for the next one.
Irfan, the image of Irfan as an actor for me has always been someone who's very quirky, someone, I think just the way, and I think he handles comedy so well, one of the very few actors who handles comedy so well. So I also, for me, Irfan is like an actor, you know what I mean? So when I see an actor, I really expect them to be a certain way. I kind of generalize and I expect them to be a certain way, which is very simple, very grounded, that kind of an image. और जब मैं इरफान से पहली बार मिली उनके घर पे, we all went for a reading, मुझे exactly वही इरफान दिखे. And but I was, obviously, it was I was really looking forward to his method of working, how he goes about his characters. तो जब हम set पे मिले, I think what I remember very clearly is Irfan telling me time and again, अगर एक तरह का reaction मुझसे निकलता था for a particular dialogue or something, इरफान मुझसे हमेशा कहते थे कि कुछ और कर, just basically do something that doesn't come to you naturally, like think out of the box. So I think I really feel कि जहाँ मुझे लगता है जहाँ मेरी सोच as an actor खत्म होती है, इरफान की वहाँ से शुरू होती है.
We all know he's not well. He's gone for treatment, and hopefully he'll come back soon and he'll join our promotion. But still, he has watched the film. He loved it, और उन्होंने फिल्म उनको बहुत पसंद आई है, तो he wants कि इसको हम बहुत अच्छी तरह रिलीज़ करें, which we are doing it now.